This video lecture explains about HTML tags and HTML element. HTML is a language for describing web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a markup language. A markup language code consists of a set of markup tags. These tags describe the document content. HTML documents will contain HTML tags and the plain text. HTML document, when it is opened using a web browser, it becomes a web page. Hence, HTML documents are also called as web pages. HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angle brackets. HTML tags normally come in pairs. The first tag in a pair is the start tag. The second tag is the end tag. HTML tags defines that how web browser will format and display the content. HTML tags contains three main parts, namely opening tag, content, and closing tag. Start and end tags are also called as opening tags and closing tags. The end tag is written like the start tag with a / before the tag name. An HTML element is everything between the start tag and the end tag, including the tags. To explain it with an example, H1 element consists of opening tag, content, and the closing tag. H1 is the opening tag. HTML for beginners is the content. /H1 is the closing tag. To summarize, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is constructed using a set of markup tags. The tags describes the document content. HTML pages are converted into web pages. HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angle brackets. HTML tags normally come in pairs. An HTML element is everything between the start tag and the end tag, including the tags. Thank you.